Bro, what did you say? What did he say? Bro, subscribe to it. I really need to get to 2K. Subscribe to him. He really needs to get to 100. Nah, get out. Wait. Bird. Nice story, buddy. Nice story. Nice story, buddy. Nice story, buddy. No, I'm very short as well. Wait. I need to change. I need to put my intro. Oh wait, I haven't done my intro. What's up? I'm Chimpo VR. He used to be called. Why is my game lagging? That's weird. Okay. No. Because I'm bad at the game. Nah, I'd win. Just come here. Just come here. I need to tell you something. Come here. I need to tell you something. Oh shit. Okay, just come here. I need to tell you something. Can I put my balls in the jar? No. Bro, my game's literally lagging. Bro, I'm scared. Oh my god, what was that? No, this looks sketchy, bro. Bro, I'd literally leave the game. I've never encountered a room. I've never actually. Okay. Yo, bro. Yo. What? Why are you lagging? Oh, this Loki sketchy, bro. Daisy, give me your ass. What? Wait, come here. Do you want to go to OG Caves? Ah, good idea. See, it's even easier than Forest. Yo, what was that? I literally just saw something. I swear to God, I just saw something. Yeah, what if... Wait, is Lucy coming back? Wait, how do you know? Did you see it on the Gorilla Tag Discord? What the hell? Wait. Oh yeah, ambience. Yo. No! Ah, I thought I just heard something. Bruh. Uh-huh. Yeah. Like tall tree in forest. This is just like forest but creepy. Wait, is there a Dr. Bug here? I imagine if there was. Bro, I can literally do... this could literally be my new girlfriend. Look. Yo. 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 No! I'm leaving. You literally made my heart pound, you giggity goober. Yo. Yo. What the? What the? No. I thought I just saw a red monkey head. Or was that just... Oh, that's just, sorry. Wait, he's white. No. Wait, shh. I thought I just heard something. No, but... Oh. Bro. Yeah, I want to leave. So how long are you going to be? Wait, what code are you in? What code? Okay. What the hell? What the?
Who are you?
I could ask you the same. Who are you?
Who are you?
No, that code's low-key sketchy.
I swear I just heard somebody join.
Yeah, I will. Hang on, wait. I just need to put on...
Bro, who was that?
Bird. Alright, you in? I'm joining. Yes. Whoa! Hey! I found a bird! I found a bird! No! I literally found bird! Yeah, I found bird! He's that swamp. Yeah, he was walking into the mansion. He literally was walking like an AI. No, I left the game. I'm back in. Join. Just join. Put it on casual and join. No, that's... No, no. Join ATM. I'll tell you what happened. You in ATM? No, or you. You. No, join bird. Just try. I literally found him. No, I literally saw him. No, what the fuck? I'm here. I'm at. I left like when he. I left straight away. So when I joined back, I saw Bird. He's literally walking like an AI. Look, I'll show you what he's walking like. Look. He's walking like an AI, and he was literally. His name was Bird. He was a white monkey, and he was like a white greyish monkey. So join back. No, wait, what? Wait, are you gonna be in there? I literally saw him. You should have heard my screaming. Right. Are you in Bird? I literally found him. Can he ban? Can he kick or ban? Alright, you win. Yeah, I'm in ATM still. Okay, you win. Oh my! He's here! No. Literally, he was at Stomp. He literally spawned where I spawned. Yeah, and he was about to chase me. I literally saw him walk up to me. No. I'll send you the video.